my hair in the dress that you wear. Won't you leave now? It's my time to go. I'll be waiting while you're not alone. You know me, I won't be surprised if you leave. I'll wear a disguise. Darling, don't you wait for me. Tonight I won't be coming home for tea. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping
Oh my
well.
goodness. Oh, that already looks so pretty.
You've been gone for way too long.
This looks so pretty. Whoa. This is so cute. She put a little button. Okay, how do I open this? Okay, it's Velcroed. Okay, I see. Oh, I'm scared to rip it. Ooh, gentle. Gentle. Okay, got it. Shut up. Oh my goodness, these are your first wax seals and they look so pretty. This is definitely gonna be longer than a minute. Okay, let me get all this out. Oh my gosh. Te pasaste, primita. Oh my god. Okay, look at that. These came out so pretty. Ooh, I like this red one. Oh, look at that. That's so pretty. And the envelope. This is handmade. And it looks like you could just go out and buy one like this. Look how pretty. Okay, I'm gonna pull out this bow. Oh, okay. It's attached to the papers. Hang on. Look at that. Whoa. This is so soft. Okay. I'm gonna open it. It's hard to do with one hand. This is so pretty. Look at that. I'm guessing hers is like a vintage feel. Oh, it's stuck to the papers with some tape. Okay. Whoa. This looks like little mountains and stuff. Did you do that, Prima? No. This is that's not tea-dyed, is it? I'm so dumb, sorry. This is pretty. Ooh. You gave me good stuff to work with. That is so pretty. Love this. I don't even know if this is gonna be incorporated. Or like if you want me to incorporate that, I don't know. That's already more than 5 items, I think. Bima, you made this. at this. This is so cute. Okay, look at that. This is really pretty paper right here. Oh no, because I made 2 tags like this, except yours are bigger. And you already have one. Dang it. Oh man. I need to get some string like this. This is so pretty. Aw, this is cute. Look at that. It's a little see-through. I love checkerboards. You have no idea. You do now. This is pretty. You have stamps now. Oh my gosh, I'm taking all this in. This is so pretty. Goodness, you gave me lots to work with, Prima. It's like opening a little treasure box or something. This is pretty. This is so cool. These are some really cool stamps. Okay, so this is extra, I'm guessing, but the fact that you made it into a pocket, that's so cute. Dang, Prima, you went all out. Oh my goodness. Girl. Ay, Prima, I failed you. I failed you. I have failed you. Look at this. I've let you down. Oh my goodness. See, I knew I was gonna fail. I had one job. One job. Oh my goodness. Ay, Primita. No wonder you were up so late. Okay, I'm gonna pause here. I don't think I want people to read this. Oh, you made me cry. This is so pretty. I love this. This is so pretty. Oh, I love music paper. I just love the way it looks. Prima, your note was so precious. Thank you. Oh, I love it so much. I love everything you gave me. Oh my goodness. I love it so much. I'm so happy. so happy. I love these stamps. Okay, I know I'm showing everything off again, but oh, just so beautiful. I love it. I love it all.